So I have with me today our Artec Space Spider and our Artec Eva. And I'm going to show you a difference between these two. A big thing is part size. So the Eva is great for large objects, whereas the Space Spider is much better for smaller objects, and it has a higher resolution, so it's going to pick up better feature detail than the Eva will. So let's go ahead and get started. We've got our Nike shoe here today. It's got some black, it's mesh. It's actually not, there's some challenges, so I'm going to turn up the sensitivity and we're going to scan this part. Start the scanner. And the sensitivity is turned all the way up. So you can take a look at the little green histogram on the left. That kind of tells us the distance we want to be. So you want to be towards the middle or the front half. And I'm using this Lazy Susan that you could pick up at the grocery store or pretty much anywhere that has home goods. So we're going to spin it around here. You can see the area we're capturing with the Space Spider is about an 8x8 8-inch window, and you're going to see it's much larger on the Eva. So we're always watching the screen, never the part, and it seems to be picking up those black colors and that mesh pretty well. Okay, so that gives us an idea how the Space Spider works. So I'm going to go ahead and switch over to the Eva. Uses the same plug. Okay. Wait for it to connect. Okay, so here's our Artec Eva, and you can already see I'm standing way back, and notice even here is too close. So compared to the Space Spider, we need to step way back with the Artec Eva, and we're seeing much larger space. It's also a much faster frame rate, so you can tend to move a little bit more fluidly. And typically we don't use the turntable with the Eva, but in this configuration we have set up here, I'm able to do that. So you're going to capture data a lot faster with the Eva because it's got that larger field of view, and it's also capturing at a much faster frame rate. Both of these scanners are capturing color, and they're both using color to track as you're indexing along the part. So that's it. We hope you found this useful. We can take a quick look here at what we captured. I'm not going to go through and process it because we cover that in other tutorials, so check out our YouTube channel and you can find those. We can take this tennis shoe from start to finish, and it's probably a 10-minute project. So, but here's our Space Spider scan, and that's a fusion. We also have the point cloud that we would go through and process manually. And there's our Eva fusion there, so you can see not as crisp detail on the mesh, so you can really start to see where the resolution does. Both of these could be a higher resolution after we process the point cloud, but today we just want to show you the big difference of the size. So we're seeing a 16 by 16 roughly with the Eva versus that smaller 8 by 8 with the Space Spider. So there's some advantages to both. It all depends on what you're looking to do. With any questions, you're always welcome to reach out and contact us with the links below. Have a great day.